Haha. Audi SQ5. Let's check her out. 16 with 57,000 miles. Ooh. Sounds mean. Sounds really mean.
Last night, for the record, Tom broke the magic. I did not, but I was happy to have the conversation. Will Cates on ESPN Radio. Well,
too distracted, you know, they don't have time here to be focused.
So, let's have a launch right. Hold on, sorry. I just want to get a second check on social media. We just started.
Put in dynamic mode. Turn the radio down. I don't want to hear that. Boy, this is nice. 57,000 miles. Wow. These old SUVs, these SQ5s, they will scoot, buddy. This one has the panorama roof. It's just part of the way. Man, this thing feels really eager to go. Feels like it's ready to pounce. SQ5. Whoa, whoa, it's got power. Woo. It has got some power. Oh yeah, I had to, whoa, wow. That was only 50% throttle. Yeah, that's pretty quick. I'm guessing this is the 3-liter supercharged engine. We'll pull over up here and pop the hood, check it out. Man, it's got some crisp, nice crisp shifts. Man. Oh wow. Now this does put you in the back of your seat. Holy cow. Yeah, now this puts you in the back of your seat. That was just, it is in dynamic mode, but I don't even have the transmission in sport mode. Alright, let's do a little walk around. Body straight. Looks like we got some paint transfer right there, a little bit of brush with something. Got decent Pirelli tires on the front, looking good. Yeah, it looks like 57,000 miles on a 16. Looks like it has spent some time on the interstate, logging some miles. Wheels look good, not gouged up. Good looking Pirelli, got a ding there. Supercharged. Oh yeah, this is a nice vehicle. Rear seat space is kind of tight, but it handles like a little sports car, man. Sure does. Runs really well. Man, and it's got the power. Oh yeah, there's that supercharged 3-liter V6. That's a great motor. That is a tremendous engine. I think that's about 333 horsepower standard. In an SQ5, I don't know if it's dialed up a little more, but that's a lot of engine for a small SUV. Yeah, it's really nice. This will bring somewhere around $25,000 tomorrow, I'm sure. Got memory seats. It's got the leather and suede with the carbon fiber inserts. Yeah, and the big panorama roof. Slick ride, man. Slick ride. Yep, that's the only spots there. Alright. On to the next one.